We'll guide you through how to make a neon border in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, access the Windows Start menu on your desktop. Once the Start menu opens, look for Google Chrome by typing its name into the search bar and launch Google Chrome on your computer from the search results. After the browser loads completely, click the address bar, type Figma, and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results page, click on the official Figma website to continue. Before proceeding, ensure you have already logged into your Figma account so you can access your projects and editing tools. After signing in successfully, the Figma main page will load in your browser. To make a neon border in Figma, select a previous project from your recent files. Once the project opens, the Edit page will appear, displaying the canvas and all existing design elements. Next, locate the rectangle tool in the toolbar and click it. Move your cursor onto the canvas and draw a rectangle around the text where you want the neon border effect to appear. Click, hold, and drag until the shape reaches the desired size, then release the mouse button. With the rectangle selected, move to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen and find the Fill section. Adjust the transparency slider by dragging it to the left until it reaches 0%, making the fill completely transparent. This ensures that only the border and glow effects remain visible. Next, locate the Stroke section and set the stroke weight according to your preference. You can drag the value to the right to create a thicker border or enter a specific value manually. After configuring the stroke, find the Effects section and add a drop shadow effect. Set both the X and Y values to 0, the blur value to 25, and the spread value to 0. To strengthen the neon appearance, add a second drop shadow effect. Set the X and Y values to 0 again. Increase the blur value to 100 or higher, and set the spread value to 30. Finally, check the box labeled Show Behind Transparent, so the glow remains visible even though the shape has no fill color.